Hey everybody, welcome back to episode 5 of the Knudsen Proving Grounds. I apologize for taking a leave of absence for a little bit, but we are back. Today we're going over the Milwaukee 30-degree framing nailer. This thing is a horse. I have put no less than 10,000 nails through this machine. Ran stellar. However, you see the original magazine right here. This spring that's in there, that looks like that guy, that holds the nails in, it started failing, so I had to feed it. I recommend just getting an extended magazine right off the bat, just because it holds so much more. Just a pain always reloading with this short guy. But after no less than 10,000 nails, this thing is still running like a champ. She's got some wear and tear. Right here, right there. And I am rough on my tools. This thing's fallen off our house several times and still gets after it. I use anywhere from the 5 amp hour to the 12 amp hour batteries, just depending on the need and what I'm doing. Overall, highly recommended.